Panasonic Microwave I have ordered in Big Billion Days. Price is almost like I got it 4,000 rupees. Let's unbox it. Let me open full. I took out this microwave. So if you press this button, so it will open. What's in there? User manual and this glass. Pretty much that's it. Don't find anything. And these are the touch controls, start, stop, and these things. So it's a 10 kg microwave. You can check it out LG also. So they are giving a starter kit. One big bowl will be there and some spoons and all. So in this Panasonic they didn't provide anything, only microwave. That's it. Thank you guys.